Ann Janish here. I'm the director of Shepherd's Flock Preschool. I'm going to be showing you the ingredients that you're going to need to make your resurrection biscuits or empty tomb biscuits. My friend Becca Richardson is going to show you how to make them and put them together, and then my friend John Holt is going to show you the end product. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need 1 package of the Crescent rolls from your refrigerated section in the grocery store. You're going to need a package of large marshmallows. You're going to need 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And you're going to get that spatula ready. I'm going to pass it to Becca.
Hey, thanks, Ann. Hi, everyone. I'm Becca Richardson, the Director of Children's Ministry here at Shepherd of the Lake Lutheran Church, and I'm going to take you through the next few steps to make resurrection rolls. It's smelling good in here. Okay, thanks to Ann's list of ingredients, I think I have everything I need. I have opened up my crescent roll can and I have separated them out into triangles and I've laid them on some parchment paper. I have got large marshmallows, melted butter, and I've got my cinnamon sugar mix. I also have pre-greased the pan with some butter so that these rolls will not stick. Okay, here we go. Step 1, we're going to take these marshmallows and place one in each triangle. This is a really fun recipe because this is a pretty simple one in terms of ingredients, as well as kids of all ages can help make this together. Okay. Whoops, don't drop the bowl, Becca. Okay, each marshmallow is in a triangle, so this next step is a very important one. You want to make sure that when you fold over the top of the remaining dough of the crescent roll, you really seal it down closed up over the edges of that marshmallow so none of the steam can escape. So it's gonna stretch out a little bit and that's okay. Just make sure that when you've got it all folded up, it's nice and sealed up tight. All right, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and roll it into a little bit of a ball, almost like a little ball of cookie dough. Okay, and then we're gonna roll it in some butter, and I was glad that Ann's spatula turned into one of these so that I can roll it around in here pretty easily. All right, paint that butter on. This is one of our favorite utensils at our house because it feels a little bit like an art project. All right, and then I'm going to scoop that out. All right, John. I'm going to pass this spatula on to you. Here you go.
Well, hello there, Shepherd of the Lake families. I am John Holt, Director of Children, Youth, and Family Ministries, and I am so excited to be with you today. You are in my kitchen, and I am excited to share the third part, or the last part of the empty tomb or resurrection roll recipe. So let's dive in. Hopefully at this point you have taken the marshmallow and rolled it in the dough. You made those dough balls with the marshmallow inside and dipped it into butter. So the next thing we're going to do is we are going to take, first we have the delightful sugar here, and the sugar we're going to add right into this mixing bowl. And that should be 3/4 of a cup of sugar. And then next, we've got our cinnamon. And our cinnamon, we are 2 tablespoons. We're going to put right in there as well. We take our handy dandy whisk. And we're just going to mix that up. Get that good and mixed up. A little cinnamon sugar together. And we are ready to go. So now it is time. We're going to get our roll on. All right, we're going to take each one of these awesome little rolls and we're going to put them in there and you're just going to roll it around. Just like that. Get it all good and coated. And then you're going to set it back into a greased muffin pan, just like this one. Now that you have those doughy marshmallow-filled balls ready to go, all rolled up in sugar and cinnamon, we're going to set those bad boys into the oven at 350, and we're going to cook them for 15 minutes. Here we go. All right, we're all done baking these empty tomb rolls or resurrection rolls, and it smells so good in the kitchen. So I can't wait to tear into these. I know you probably can't wait to tear into these. So let's do a little bit of that grand unveiling. We take one of these yummy muffins, and we're gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna open those up, and as you can see, the tomb is empty, the roll is empty. Christ has risen. He has risen indeed. Hallelujah. From Becca, Ann, and I, we wish you all a happy Easter and a wonderful spring. Peace.